Okay, so I'm just going to post a video about Localhost server. So I've got two websites here, the My Shopping List and West Coast Auto. I open up the My Shopping List and it's got a register login page. It's probably one of the first pages. I open it with Komodo Edit, have a look at the code, and West Coast Auto, we'll have a look at the index. It's taking a while to load. Okay. So here's the My Shopping List register. It's a PHP file, and the other one is just HTML. There's no PHP included in it. So I'll throw this one out to the browser, the PHP, and we'll see what it shows. And then also the index.html, we'll show that one out to the browser. West Coast Auto. So you can see that the register login, see how it's just code? It's in PHP. And the West Coast Auto, you can see that the CSS and the layout of the site, you can navigate through the site without a localhost server. But the PHP doesn't show, so that's where the localhost server comes in handy. So if I just go into Google and type in Xampp, Xampp, download. Straight away, first one that comes up with Apache Friends, and you can download it 64-bit. Xampp for Windows, you just push download, you go through it all and download. So I've already downloaded mine. Basically, it's kept in the C drive. There's Xampp, and all the documents are run through the HT docs. So you've got to start it up first. Actually, start the localhost server. I'm going to start it up. There it is. So start those two, the Apache and MySQL. Then all we do is go back to the browser and type in localhost, and we'll go PHP myadmin. Localhost PHP. Let me just do that again. Localhost / PHP myadmin. So the server's already up and running, and this is our localhost server. So to get the My Shopping List going, what we can do is just copy that one straight into the Xampp localhost server, the HT docs, paste it in there. And we'll start with the register login page. So we go back to here and we type in localhost. So we just follow that folder structure. Localhost / my _ shopping list _ and then register login was the PHP file, register login. So there it is. So there's the difference between throwing out to the browser and not having a localhost server, as you can see. It's come up with like an error there. It basically means we don't have the database. So the database is sort of like on a live on the internet. This is sort of what it is, but it's via your PC. So if we want to put the database, it is in our My Shopping List. There's the database there for the My Shopping List site. So what we need to do, we need to go back to PHP My Admin, go new, and we call database name my underscore shopping list. My underscore shopping list, and then we go create. That database has been created. All we need to do is import. If you have a look at that file, you can open it up in ActiveScape Komodo. It already has been. There it is there. There's our database. You know, it's got some stuff of the shopping list on there. Apples, oranges, and then it's got some users, their first name, last name, email, and things like that, passwords, encrypted passwords. We go back, choose the file, so we choose that SQL file, open, and we press go. It's taking a while to load it. It's got a bit of error. Dump tables. It's still loaded all the tables there. User, shopping list, shopping items available. We can click those for the database. Here's all the information of that site. So this is actually done in a live, environment. So there's items available. There's the shopping list and the user's ID. So there's the different users. They're salt encrypted passwords. With that error there, just says SQL state unknown database My Shopping List. Now we've got the My Shopping List database there. As long as it's the same, it's got the underscores, exactly the same. If we refresh this, that error goes. And that's basically it. So that's basically what the difference is of that site there to that site there, what the localhost server can do for you.